pa-decoration sa ating birthday. Yes, kahit sobrang pagod, ayan, nasulit din. Sulit. Yes, sulit ang ating pagod. Ayan na. Done decorating the table and the ceiling, guys. Ayan. May mga pangalan yan. Kaninong kung sinong nakaupo. Ayan. Simple decorations. Aming birthday ni Day Roslyn. Sinabay namin dalawa. Ayan, guys. Kahit sobrang pagod namin. Solid. Yeah, it's worth it. Pagod much. So, tapos ng decoration. Yeah, it's done. And look at the ceiling. This area is the mga dessert yan and the cake. This area, guys. So, it's not there yet because tomorrow is the party. So, yeah, they're putting it there. Kaya, ayan na. So cute talaga, guys. Oh. Super cute. And I like the color. Yeah. This looks like Hawaiian.
The next day.
We have to speak
It's so
English.
cute.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yes, pag-decorate ni mo, Day. Nice. Day, murag dito ka si Day Myrna. So cute.
Happy birthday.